I'm Tool Pros.
And I'm Tool Wife. We are a little busted.
And we're gonna go throw some tools out of this helicopter.
But it's still running. I think this is a fail. We had a good run.
All right, so the Viper Venom packs.
Oh, we got one. Still full. 2, 3 busted ones.
While a couple of them did bust, a couple of them did not.
Yep.
So that tells me that if it can hang, drop it out of a helicopter at 130 feet, it can hang in the back of your service truck.
Yeah, not too bad, Reefer Tech. I'd say that's a solid win for Milwaukee. Still like new. Not too bad. Oh man, I think this is a fail. Tough systems, not so tough. R.I.P.
All right, so how do the storage boxes make out after this drop?
Well, I think there's a clear winner here.
Unfazed.
The Milwaukee Pack Out is like brand new.
130 feet out of the helicopter, unfazed.
No crack. Let's see how the others added up.
So the Makita, unfortunately, the Mack Track, it did have a crack in it here at the bottom, and it got dropped at a lower altitude than the others.
Thanks to someone's big belly.
Yeah, it couldn't fit in the helicopter, but oh well. Obviously, there's a clear loser.
Wah, wah.
The Tough System 2.0 is not too tough.
No.
They should call it the weak system.
All right. By side comparison. Let's put some batteries in them and see if they work. Ooh, we'll see. All right, we are a little busted, but it still runs. The wall is still in pretty solid shape. Works like a charm.
All right, so as far as how the rest of it did, so the impacts, the DeWalt still works, battery did not come off. The Milwaukee, unfortunately,
Now talks back.
but does it work? Oh, it still works.
Still
Little
works.
duct tape, you're back to work. And the Hilti, let's see,
That'll be solid.
smells a little burning, but it's still running, so we're good. And the
Don't pay
battery,
attention to that. It's just a minor detail.
the battery did not come off of any of the impacts, which they were thrown out with the batteries attached, which was amazing. And onto the Sawzalls. So the Sawzalls, or reciprocating saws, were thrown out without the battery, so we just put the batteries on them. But you can see all the dirt and debris that's stuck in the end of that thing. But it still works. That's amazing. How about that one?
Well, Milwaukee looks pretty solid. We got a little dirt in the end, a little bit, but
Still works.
runs like a dream.
Amazing. So really, the Milwaukee Impact took the toughest of these hits, and definitely the DeWalt Tough System.